Okay, so the topic for now is specialization and money. Specialization is a very simple topic. It means that when one person performs one task is called specialization. It has a lot of benefits, and for example, production gets quick and workers get more skill. They save time and they save wastage of resources as well. And then is money. Money is something generally accepted as a medium of exchange, and it performs four functions: medium of exchange, measure of value, standard of deferred payment, store of value, and wealth. So these are the functions of money, and good money has multiple characteristics including acceptability, durability, portability, divisibility, homogeneity, and scarcity. So these are multiple characteristics of good money. And then is banks. Banks are basically of two types. One is central bank and the other one is commercial bank. Central banks are under the government, and every country has central bank which has sole authority to issue currency notes, and it controls basically monetary policy as well as it controls commercial banks in the country as well. However, keep in mind that central bank only provides services to the government and commercial banks provide services to the general public. So now coming to the questions of this topic, and question number 1 says commercial bank is appointed to act as a country's central bank. It was initially providing services to private individuals. Now it will become bank of the government. So what new function would it now have? Starting with option A, controlling monetary policy. Definitely now when it becomes central bank, then it means it will control monetary policy. And monetary policy is policy of central bank in which it decides how much money to supply, how much interest rate should be in the country, and what should be the exchange rate of currency. So this is basically the main role of central bank of the country. So option A is correct answer. All other options are shared between central and commercial banks. So this is the new function that it will perform. Okay, so question number 2 says what function do central banks and commercial banks have in common? So both of them basically have one thing common, that is they deal with exchange rate, foreign exchange rate. Option A says acting as bankers bank. This is not common feature. This is the feature of central bank of the country. Controlling monetary policy is only the feature of central bank. Commercial banks do not do that. Supervising banking system. Central bank supervises the entire banking system. Commercial banks do not. So dealing with foreign exchange is the common factor and common basically feature of both banks. So C option will be the correct answer. Now moving to question number 3, what might increase the use of money as a medium of exchange? Medium of exchange mean that money is used to purchase goods and services. Okay, so increase in income tax, this is not something which increases medium of exchange. Increase in savings, again it is store of value or wealth, not basically exchange rate, medium of exchange, sorry. An increase in interest rate, when interest rate increases, people will save more and use it less as a medium of exchange. Increased specialization is the correct answer for this question, because of specialization what people do is they do whatever they are best at and they earn money in exchange, and then they can use that money to purchase goods and services. So medium of exchange is the function which now will be basically easier, and it will increase because of specialization. Everyone performs his job and earns money against that, and he can buy goods and services in exchange of money. So option D is correct answer. What is a function of a central bank? Question number 4, central bank is basically the government bank which issues currency notes and coins, and it basically supervises the entire banking system as well. So option A says to decide government spending. Government spending is decided by the fiscal policy, that is decided by the parliament. It is decided in the budget, not by the central bank. To determine all interest rate, central bank no doubt sets interest rate, but this interest rate is basic interest rate which is followed by the commercial banks, and commercial banks determine their interest rate as per their own policy. So all interest rate are not set by central bank. Then comes to lend to private business. Central bank is not for lending to the private businesses. Central bank is the government's bank and it operates only for the government, not for the private businesses. So option C is correct answer. To issue new currency, central bank has the function to issue new currency. It can print new notes and coins as well. And question number 5 says what will increase the level of specialization in an economy. So specialization is again one person performs one task. So option A is a computer manufacturer takes over an advertising agency. So it is diversification because one computer manufacturer is also now doing advertisement and it is running advertising company. So this is diversification, not specialization. Diversification is when you focus on multiple products instead of just one thing or service. A retail store issues its credit card. This is also not a kind of basically specialization. A travel agent provides transport to airport. This is again not a specialization. A vehicle assembler reduces its range of vehicles. So this is correct option because now the vehicle assembler is basically focusing on a special type of vehicle. So the reducing the range of vehicles mean that now they will be focused on certain type of vehicle. So it increases specialization, level of specialization. Okay, so this is it for this class, and if you are interested to do further questions relevant to specialization, money and banking, then you can see there are a lot of questions in this topic. And the best thing is there are 31 questions in this topic, and the best thing is all questions have been answered at the end of each topic, and each answer has been explained what is the logic or reason for that question. And if you are interested to get this book, I will give you the link in description. You can buy it online, and further see you inshallah in the next class. Thank you.